We are now looking at subscriber question number 6 and it could deal nema matrices. So that is going to be our question. If bracket x minus 3 1 1 is equal to bracket 5 minus 3 1 y, find the value of x and y. So we are going to employ two methods. The first method is going to be a technical method. Saka tichaweka step by step kuti tosolve a question iyo for x and y. Then the second method, which is the quicker method, is going to be a logical method. We are going to be applying logic. This is going to be our method number 1. For our method number 1, tataura kuti it's a technical method, it's a step by step method. Ngatitangire pa this premise. Ngatiti we have a statement inoti your 3 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3. Is it true kana tika transfer this 3 to the left hand side? Ikava 3 minus 3. It's equal to 0. My statements are 2. Are they correct? 3 is equal to 3. Now 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. They are both correct. Saka we are going to be using this in solving our question. Saka tina x 1 minus 3 1 turns it's equal to 5 1 minus 3y. So zvinoreva ndezvekuti tika transfer this whole matrix kunoko. X minus 3 1 1 minus, because it was a positive matrix, because ya jump equals sign yava a negative matrix, 5 1 minus 3 y is equal to O, not 0 but O. O iri kumiririra inonzi iyo 0 matrix. 0 matrix kana kuti the equivalent of 0 kana tiri kuma matrix. Saka tiri panapa tiri kuona isusu kuti we have 2 by 2 matrices. X minus 3 1 1 is a 2 by 2 matrix. 5 minus 3 1 y it's also a 2 by 2 matrix. So zvinoreva ndezvekuti our 0 matrix should also be a 2 by 2 matrix. Saka ngatisolve kuno, then to also replace this O with an actual 0 matrix. Saka we know that when we are subtracting matrices, tino subtract ma corresponding elements. So zviri kureva ndezvekuti tikatarisa panapa tina x, equivalently kana kuti correspondingly panapa tina 5. Saka it's going to be x minus 5. Toyapa this element, which is minus 3 minus this element minus 3. Toya panapa, it's 1 minus this element, which is 1. Toya panapa, it's 1 minus this element, which is y. Sakata solve our left hand side. This is going to be equal to, tudakuisa a 2 by 2 0 matrix kuda kuti inge iri 0 0 0 0. Tadai so manje tinogona kuti so further munomu tingaita kuti x minus 5, then panapa it's minus 3 minus minus 3, which becomes minus 3 plus 3 to become 0. Then panapa 1 minus 1, it's also 0, and panapa tina 1 minus y. This is equal to 0 0 0 0. As you can see, panapa tatuana 0 panga pani ma numbers chete. Saka pese panga paini ma numbers, like panapa this element, it's minus 3 minus minus 3, it gave us 0. Panga paini ma numbers vakare pa this element 1 minus 1, it also gave us 0. This then means that correspondingly x minus 5 should give us 0 and 1 minus y should give us 0, so that we have a 0 matrix. So let us clear this space tunoita sei. Saka ndo step yatanga tava iyi. Taona kuti this is 0, this is 0. Kureva kuti our left hand side ive equal to our right hand side, which is a 0 matrix. X minus 5 should be equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5. Then 1 minus y should also be equal to 0. So 1 is equal to y, which is y being equal to 1. Saka x is going to be 5, y it's going to be 1. Saka patashandisa a more technical way, cannot a more technical method. Let us now go over to a simpler and a more logical method. For our method number 2, our M2, tauda kushandisa a logical method. Saka taudzwa isusu kuti x 1 minus 3 1 it's equal to 5 1 minus 3y. Tofanga kuunderstanda kuti kana zvinhu zvinzi zviri equal zvinorevei. Kana zvinhu zviri equal in layman terms zvinenge zvakafanana, kureva kuti ku left kwakafanana ne ku right, ku left hand side kwakafanana ne ku right hand side. Saka just a clear inspection panapa, we see kuti this element minus 3 it's the same as this element minus 3, and this element 1 it's also the same as this element 1. Kureva iko kuti elements they are corresponding, minus 3 corresponding with minus 3, 1 corresponding with 1. Zvazoreva kuti this x should also correspond with this one. Kureva kuti x is going to be equal to 5, and this y should correspond with this one. Kureva iko kuti y it's also equal to 1. Saka tishandisa correspondence, we quickly get to our answer, but tishandisa zvakare a working where tinozoequate the difference of these two matrices to a 0 matrix. Tunowana futi x being equal to 5 and y being equal to 1. Thank you.